Everybody's been talking about the Apple Vision Pro, which means we're talking about the Apple Vision Pro. Let's check out some unfiltered and personal opinions from our developers about this upcoming device.
I watched the live launch for the Apple Vision Pro.
For us at Hololight, it was finally the moment in which we could see the take from Apple in the direction of AR and VR.
It was very exciting to finally see it come to life.
And the way the device has been designed, the materials also in particular.
It looks pretty sleek.
It's a slick device.
Everything about it seems to be really premium.
In terms of industrial use cases for the Apple Vision Pro, there wasn't really much use cases shown during the WWDC.
I can see situations where high performance and ease of use and the need to train people who are unfamiliar with such a device is of the highest priority.
Or for having collaborative meetings in mixed reality.
I believe it can have great potential for CAD model visualization.
People replacing, in some cases, their working environment with a headset for several hours and have the possibility to work with a desktop class application inside an AR, VR device.
As a developer, if I had the Apple Vision Pro in my hands right now, the first thing I would do is I would want to type. I would want to open up a web browser. I would want to do the normal things that a user just does every day.
How does the screen actually look like? How does it feel?
Testing the device to see the real interaction capabilities.
Really find out how a device works and how it's supposed to be interacted with.
I'm most curious about the wearability. Is it really comfortable to wear?
That moment where I put on the device and it feels right, I'm hoping for that moment.
The first thing I will be looking at is the hologram stability in VR and in AR.
Because of course we watched a marketing video, so I'm wondering if the holograms are really as crisp as showed in the video.
The second aspect I'm really curious about is the power of the device.
How they managed to pack the M2 chip into an augmented reality or a virtual reality device.
And from there, then your imagination kind of starts to think about how you can implement these things into more complicated software like what we make here.
And I'm also wondering about the high performance battery.
In a lot of countries, for example, in working environment, there are restrictions about wearing devices that are wired or cable in some way. But looking at the way the device is designed, it seems this could be actually easily fixed with a different band or maybe with some third-party accessory.
I would really like to join a developer lab for the Apple Vision Pro just to see the technology behind the scenes.
I believe that my team will be very excited to attend something like that.
Of course, I would love to use the device.
Of course, I would love to have the chance.
Definitely love to participate in the Apple Developer Labs.
As someone using a wheelchair, I'm hyper aware of how these devices are designed to accommodate my needs as well.
The more soon we can see what's possible and the more we can start to think ahead about what we can create here at Hololight with the device.
I want to see if Apple can rise to the challenge of making something that actually is something that everyone will want to use and can use.